Hello, I'm in the back of my troopy because outside it is freezing cold. The wind has come up. I was going to do some astrophotography tonight and, well, that's not happening because it's also cloudy. So the weatherman, women, people got it wrong. So, alright, time for... I'm a lucky boy. Every year, my favourite torchmaker gives me... well, they start by sending me an email and they say, these are the products we would really like you to promote. And then I pick the ones that I like and always add a few more that I also have seen and like the idea of. So I'm going to go through these. There's always a Black Friday, fantastic deals. And if you look in the description, you will see a link to purchase these, and then if you purchase them through my website you get their discount and they give me a little bit of a royalty on everything they sell. So these are the two that they really wanted me to show you, so I'm going to put those aside because they look really, really interesting. I'm going to go back. Last time I mentioned a couple of products and that I thought were interesting, but I've found I really like this. This is called the OClip Ultra. And it's a clip and it's also magnetic. Very nice snap. Very nice snap indeed. And I thought at the time, yeah, I use this more than any of these others. Not while camping. I use it at home. I'll give you a little example. Twice I had to wire up a fridge in the troopy. I changed fridges and I needed a little bit of light, so I hung this off the back of this chair, this front seat, just boom, and there instead of using a head torch, ta-da, I use it there because then the insects don't fly in my eyes. It's not, yes, it doesn't move with my head, obviously, but I actually find I like it more because it's not this thing around my head and I just leave it there. Also, when you've got a head torch and you're speaking to somebody, it's very disconcerting having a head torch shine in your face. So, I wanted to mention that because they have sent me another one. That was the OClip Ultra. This is the OClip. So I expect that this is the regular version of the OClip. So tell you what I'm going to do though. I think, how is the lighting in here? Is the lighting in here okay? Because I'll tell you what they also sent me, and this was my request because I like these a lot. This is the Olantern Classic. And I'm going to use it now. Now you're supposed to charge it before you use it. Yep, you are. I'm not going to because it'll have a bit of charge in it and I need it for this shoot. Alright. So I'm already using this guy. And you see that? I'm already using that for the lighting. These are the two lanterns. I love these little lanterns. There you go. Little bit of there you go. And they're not just practical, they're just nice. You know what I mean? So let's have a quick look at the OClip. So there is the OClip, and you cycle. It's got a little switch that you cycle on the side there, and center light, cycle it, different kind of floodlight. Now the OClip Ultra has a ultraviolet light instead of a red lamp. Unbelievably useful. You wouldn't think so. Man, they're useful little things. Right, so I've got another one of those. I'm very pleased with those. Right, okay. Now, what am I going to do now? They sent me a knife, another little blade. I like the other blade. This one, let's have a look at it. It has the same case as the other one. Can't remember the other one's name, but it has a similar pouch. Always knives need to be sold with pouches. Okay, nice. It's got a nice feel to it too. It's a much broader blade. It's got a much broader blade. Look at that. Rather nice, isn't it? Very nice. It's very similar to the other one. But, and of course you open it, it's all kind of one-handed opening. You just grab it and you go, and it's open, and you've got a lock and you close it. Oh, I do like that too. It's got a very nice feel to it. Very, very good. Oh, okay, right, it's like a little mini Christmas. Still a favorite. This was sent to me and I'm using this a lot. Very, very nice pouch. And this is called the Warrior Ultra. Now they use this green, it's called Dull, made of DAL. It's a very hard material apparently. So those are both made from the same material, and that is an exceptional for its size. Again, the machining, the quality is that's good, and these are they're just such nice things to use. I wanted to mention that. I also wanted to mention now this is the Javalot 2. It's become my standard. I'll cut to a shot of it on my door. Is the Javalot 2. That, you want a security light that you can grab quickly because it comes with this pouch. Okay, little magnetic clip, nicely designed, simple, straightforward. Put it on your belt, strap it on the molle panels, and that with one press of a button at the back gives you a round, incredibly long beam of light. It's superbly bright, absolutely superbly bright. That's first class. I really like that. So that's become my kind of go-to security light at the back here, and it has some nice clever charging options, etc. Very, very nice. All right, actually one of my favorite, another one of my favorites. Now, so these are called ArkPro. ArkPro flashlight. They have sent me two. This one appears to be made out of the same, this interesting material called DAL. I have not charged it. Similar, again, similar to OClip, round dial with 3 different settings on it. I'm going to charge to activate before use. Okay, I will have to conclude this tomorrow when I give both of these a proper charge during the day. They have no charge in them right now. Tomorrow night I'm going to conclude it with these two. They're both saying, charge me! Here then are the two knives. This one is also made from DAL. Now DAL is an extremely hard aluminium, very robust. That's actually what it is. I looked it up. And this is the new knife. And there they are there. They are rather nice, aren't they? I think I prefer this one, the new one. I don't know. To continue from yesterday's look at these Olight. Now these are the last two. These are called ArkPro. They are very similar to the OClip. That is a beam. Okay, very useful spread. I can put a little bit of light on myself while I talk to camera. And then it also has ultraviolet. There it is there. And it also has a pointer. They sent me two. That's the ArkPro, the one made of dowel. There's a heavy duty aluminium, and this is the base model. It looks similar. If you enjoy flashlights, then you really owe it to yourself to go onto the website and have a look at this amazingly versatile little tool. Appears to be the same but different material. You know, I get given these torches. I'm very grateful to Olight for giving them to me, but I can't really review them without using them. I mean, how useful is this? The OClip, for example, when I got it, as I said, now I'm using it so often. To conclude, they've sent me the Marauder-2. Now, I've had the Marauder-1 for a while. They are both very similar, but beautiful in design. Now, the improvement on the, I'm going to show you the Mark 1. I turn it on like that, and if you look at the screen behind me, it has a bright spot or flood, and I can control its brightness with the wheel. Marauder 2 is similar in that rotate it to turn it on, and it has, as you can see, red, different levels of brightness. And then if I click on the center, a center spot and a center flood. And this is really nice. Both a center and a spot. And it also has a little light on the side where you can put it on a desk for map reading. Suddenly the Marauder, I think I'm suddenly going to use it a lot more than I did before, because I think it's just so much more versatile. But the wonderful thing about this is the fact that you grab it and it is quite big in the hand, and it's like a comfortable fit in the hand. And it really is rather beautifully made, don't you think? So there's my conclusion for this year. Thank you, Olight, for sending me such lovely, lovely tools. Again, on the website, there's a link in the description. Go and check it out. If you purchase using the Black Friday specials, using the links, well, I get a little bit of money from them, and the money goes towards my next trip, where I think this could become a favorite. Till next time.
If you think 12-volt systems in campers, caravans, 4x4s, boats shouldn't be messy and complicated, and you do not know this remarkable solution, keep watching. With the DC hub from Egon, you can install the same DC electric system in a smaller place with less expertise to a higher quality in a shorter time. You do not want to be out there without knowing how to help yourself. You will be able to troubleshoot your own electrical system and be in control. Nothing needed but spare fuses, side cutters and a screwdriver. No need for electrical test equipment or specialist knowledge. Easy and fast to install. Don't accept anything less from your fitment center. Be in control, ask for Egon. Get your DC hub today at egon.com.au.